first time I did this was yung first video ko nung October 10 last year. Since meron tayong on hand na parang condenser or parang cardioid what? Basta microphone siya by BOYA na pang iPhone cause meron siyang lightning. So ito yung audio ng phone lang ang gamit natin. By the way, this is the iPhone SE 2020. So ito yung audio niya, walang accessories. So ngayon check natin yung BOYA na cardioid mic. BOYA na lightning microphone. Ito na, first time kong magamit itong BOYA mic. So tignan natin kung ano mas better. Cause tonight, ang meron tayo, of course, yung onboard mic ng phone. And then ito nakakabit na yung BOYA microphone. And then yung favorite ko na lav mic. Kasi dun sa research ko, parang ito kasi may pinakamagandang tunog. So tignan natin kung may challenge itong itong nakakabit na BOYA microphone. Yun, sound check. Check. And lastly, yun na yung favorite ko. Tignan natin kung if it will still be my favorite after i-review natin yung onboard. Tapos itong, so tama nga ako, it's cardioid. Kasi parang weird lang sabihin eh. Ito yung box niya pala. Yan. Cardioid mic, which is this one. And then ito nakakabit na ngayon yung lavalier mic or lav mic. By the way, yung brand nito is called Escam, ESCAM. I had this since November last year. Kasi yun nga eh, kung naka-ano ka lang, if you're outside vlogging, kung naka-depende ka lang sa onboard mic, problema talaga kasi minsan mahangin, halimbawa kumakain ka sa labas, maingay sa labas, so minsan captured lahat ng onboard mic, so ang hina na ng boses mo. This one, ang kagandahan nito, tutok siya sa'yo. Kasi malapit lang siya sa bibig mo. Pero ang disadvantage naman nito is pang mag-isa ka lang, so pag may kausap ka, o sige, ikaw, may mic ka, malakas ang boses mo, pero yung kausap mo, wala na, mahina. At least that's what I think. So, yun, check natin. So, we started with the onboard mic, and then yung cardioid mic. Sinasabi nila, this is a shotgun mic. Yan, ito. BOYA. And then, this one, the lav mic. I'll show you later pala yung itsura niya, kasi itong pinaka-favorite ko na mic because basta I'll show you later. Like I told you, papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng Escam. So, ito siya. Lightning na siya agad, so hindi mo na kailangan ng adapter. So, ito yung cord niya, tapos kakabit mo yung mic, yung lav mic sa'yo. Tapos ang kagandahan niya, meron din siyang ganitong accessory na nakakabit, which you can put in your earphones pang monitor nung audio. Kasi yung una kong binili in my first video, yung Innovation, it's just this one without this cord na pang wala siyang pang monitor. So siya, lav mic lang diretso. Saka, by the way, sorry not sorry, yung Innovation brand from Henry's, may hiss sound siya talaga. Medyo, hindi ko kayo i-recommend to buy that. Medyo palpak siya. Both yung 3.5mm headphone jack type, saka yung mas mahal na version na yung lightning type. Kahit na lightning siya, walang adapter, may hiss siya. So, don't buy that. So, ito Shopee nga lang ito eh. I don't think this is parang branded na, ano yun, 300 pesos. But it turned out to be my favorite microphone of all. Parang more than the onboard mic. Kahit na si SE is improved audio na because of the A13 chip, mga neural engine, chuchu. Gumanda yung audio, yes, but I still prefer na, or I recommend you to get an accessory, ito nga na microphone. I'll also test out the BOYA microphone tomorrow kasi may lakad ako tungkol sa kotse ko. Meron din siyang, pwede mo rin siyang palitan ng fur. Ang tawag nila dito ng mga professional, dead cat. So, feeling ko this one is magagamit mo siya or pinaka-effective siya when you're outside tapos mahangin, as in outdoors. Kasi ang na-notice ko when I played back the video nung gamit ko siya nung nakakabit ito, humina yung audio. So parang feeling ko this is best when you're outside tas maingay tapos nakatapat lang siya sa'yo ng ganyan. So feeling ko yun yung pinaka-purpose niya. But for indoors, like ito, nasa bahay lang naman ako tas tahimik kasi gabi na, tas pinahina niya lalo yung audio. I mean yung ambient sound, yes, pinahina niya. So parang humina lahat. Tas ang maririnig mo lang yung bibig ko, pero basta parang yung level ng sound is bumaba. So feeling ko this one is for outdoors, or parang hindi siya recommended for yung tahimik or shooting head videos like this one. I mean talking head videos like this one. So if I had to rank the sound quality, so number 1 pa rin to. Itong cheap na nakuha ko lang online, this is called S-Cam, number 1. And then 2 is this onboard microphone. And then lastly, at least for indoor quiet shooting, itong BOYA. So, but I'll still bring this with me tomorrow. Puntahan ko yung insurance ng kotse ko sa So yun, second day of this vlog. Nandito tayo sa team day, Manila Day. May nag-shoot about many percent ng kotse. Okay, audio test using the BOYA mic. Yan. So we are now walking dito sa Makapagal, Pasay. Audio test using the BOYA mic.